So today I'll be showing you how to update the firmware of your Anker Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get the app. So go to the Google Play Store and download the Soundcore application, this one right here. So once you download it and it's open and you've set up your earbuds with the app, all you have to do is open up the case with the buds inside and it's going to get connected. Of course, this is after setting up everything. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on that to attempt to connect, and once they're connected, if there's an update available, you may be prompted like that. Okay, now in case you're not prompted, then you can go to the app, just go to settings in the top right corner, and then under settings, scroll down, and then you should see update firmware. Tap on that. You can see there's a green dot, there's a red dot, and the version is version 3.88, and the size for that is 1.96 MB. So let's go ahead and download the firmware update. So it's been downloaded, so you can now tap on install and it's gonna get installed to the earbuds. Make sure you keep the case open like this so that it stays connected. During this process, you can see the light here just playing around a bit. So just wait for the process to finish up. So we're currently done. So it's going to restart. Just be patient. And now we are fully done. Okay, so just tap on the check mark and that's it. So that is basically how to update the firmware of your Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.